Lavender essential oil is incredibly versatile and has a wide range of uses. Here are several things you can do with lavender essential oil. 1. Relaxation and stress relief. Lavender oil is well known for its calming and relaxing properties. Diffuse it in your home or add a few drops to a warm bath to unwind after a long day. 2. Sleep aid. Diffusing lavender oil or applying it to your pillow can help promote a restful night's sleep. Its soothing aroma can help calm the mind and body. 3. Skincare. Lavender oil has antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties, making it beneficial for treating minor burns, cuts, and insect bites. Dilute it with a carrier oil and apply topically to soothe irritated skin. Hair care. Add a few drops of lavender oil to your shampoo or conditioner to promote healthy hair and scalp. It can help reduce dandruff and add shine to your hair. Natural perfume. Use lavender oil as a natural perfume by applying it to pulse points or mixing it with a carrier oil for a subtle floral scent. Room freshener. Create a homemade room spray by combining lavender oil with water in a spray bottle. Use it to freshen up your living spaces without harsh chemicals. Insect repellent. Lavender oil has insect-repelling properties. Mix it with water and spray it on your skin or clothes to help keep mosquitoes and other insects away. Aromatherapy. Use lavender oil in aromatherapy practices to reduce anxiety, improve mood, and promote relaxation. It can be diffused, inhaled directly, or added to massage oils. First aid. Keep lavender oil handy as a natural first aid remedy. It can help alleviate pain and inflammation from minor burns, cuts, and bruises. Laundry freshener. Add a few drops of lavender oil to a cloth or dryer ball and toss it in the dryer with your laundry for a fresh floral scent. Headache relief. Massage diluted lavender oil onto your temples and neck to help relieve tension, headaches, and migraines. Cooking. Use culinary-grade lavender oil sparingly in cooking and baking for a unique floral flavor. It pairs well with desserts, teas, and even savory dishes. Remember to always dilute lavender essential oil with a carrier oil, such as coconut oil, almond oil, or jojoba oil, before applying it to the skin, and perform a patch test to check for any potential allergic reactions. Enjoy experimenting with lavender oil and discovering its many beneficial uses.